Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone and iOS are up to date so focus features are available. Once done, open Settings and tap Focus. You can pick an existing focus or tap the plus to create a new one. Name the focus and choose an icon so it's recognizable. Then add at least one allowed person and one allowed app. This prevents interruptions from essentials. Doing that early means the system already knows what to block and what to allow. Now configure the detailed behavior of your focus so it fits real use. You'll select which people can contact you, allow calls or messages, and set emergency bypasses if necessary. Next, add allowed apps. Use the time-sensitive toggle to permit critical alerts. Then customize home screen pages to hide distracting apps and adjust the lock screen to dim notifications. Also share your focus status so apps can display your silencing alerts. This reduces repeated interruptions and explains why messages aren't. Finish by activating your focus and verifying it behaves as intended. You can turn it on from Control Center, set a schedule, or create an automation to trigger it based on location, app use, or time. Test with one allowed and one blocked contact to confirm calls and notifications match your settings. If things go wrong, make sure focus filters aren't overridden by other settings, check Do Not Disturb overlaps, and verify focus syncing on other devices. Adjust as needed. Small tweaks fix most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.